damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Violent, Atlantic City, Millville, Bridgeton, Pleasantville, Glassboro, Hamilton, Ventnor City, Pittman, Northfield, Absecon, Clayton, Margate City, Wena, Egg Harbor City, Woodstown, Alloway, Weymouth, Swedesboro, and Estill Manor. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 2, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 12 and 13, Garden State Parkway between mile markers 32 and 40, Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 3 and 41. In addition to large